Hi, Karen. So I thought I'd show you via Screencast-O-Matic how I basically make notes. I mean, I do use the voice record option, but again, you can technically highlight and then do voice record as you highlight. I haven't really played around with that function, but I'm sure it's something that can be done. Generally, I either voice record if it's something simple that I have to express, or I just do the highlight option that's directly available in the assignment. Let me basically demonstrate. So if I click on the assignment, so I'm in the Dropbox folder for my students. If I click on one of the assignments, oh, what's going on? Okay, there we go. So if I click on it, basically you get these tools that give you different options. So you don't need to download the assignment or do anything else. It's just a tool that's basically given. So I click on the little annotations pen, and then once I do that, um, I get this option for highlighters. So I'll go text highlighter or free highlighter, whatever. I will go, I'll highlight the text that I want to comment on, and then I will add I'll add a comment. And then what am I doing? Sorry. I'll add a comment, and then I'll go here, and then right here, once I do the comment, I just click on the little comment box, click there, and then the note comes up, and I'll say, um, you did not identify, whatever you want to say, identify the opposite side, kind of thing. And then it leaves a note, and it already has that done. So, I mean, I generally just do that, and it's the same feature. So you can highlight, etc., or you can do whatever you want. So same idea, highlight the text, highlight text, and you just go on and then make a comment. So this is a feature that I have used. If I don't use that one, then I scroll down to the bottom and I do voice record, and then maybe I'll do an additional video here and so forth. So I'll do voice record and then I'll go from there. If you have any other questions, I mean, it used to be easier. We used to have a grade app in D2L that we could use, but the grade app isn't available any longer, and it was really straightforward, really easy. There was also a grading app through the plagiarism tool, through Turnitin. Because Turnitin, I mean, there's the new plagiarism tool now. I haven't played around with it. Maybe it does have it, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll take a look at it sometime today if I have a chance. But other than that, I mean, this works perfect. You can comment and edit. And if you want to leave an additional voice recording, you can. So it does both. Hopefully this helps, guys. Thanks, and have a good day.